Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Monitoring and Maintaining AI Systems. Keeping your AI healthy. Imagine your AI is like a pet dog. A healthy dog needs food, water, and checkups. Similarly, an AI needs monitoring to make sure it's performing as expected and not going off the leash. We'll learn how to keep our AI healthy and avoid unexpected behavior. Think of your AI as a weather predictor. If it was perfectly trained on summer data, it might not accurately predict winter weather. That's drift, the AI's performance changing over time because the world it's predicting changes. We need ways to spot and fix this. Imagine an archer aiming at a target. We track how many arrows hit the bullseye. Similarly, we measure how accurately our AI is making predictions. We'll see simple methods to check this, even without complex math. Just like a dog needs good food, your AI needs good data. Bad data leads to bad predictions. We'll learn how to identify and deal with bad apples in your AI's data supply. Developers use numbers to judge how well an AI is working. We'll demystify these metrics with clear examples, showing you how to easily interpret performance reports. Sometimes, your AI needs a refresher course. Retraining is like giving your dog a new trick. We'll discuss when and how to update your AI with newer data, keeping it sharp and effective. Imagine a dog that only plays fetch with people who wear red shirts. That's biased. We'll learn how to detect and correct bias in AI to ensure fairness and avoid making unfair decisions. There are special tools to help you monitor your AI easily. We'll introduce some user-friendly options, even if you're just starting your AI journey. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.